Hey, Mark Rice here, and today we are also doing what we enjoy the most, drawing. And today's topic is nope. No. Okay, let's start. But before I start talking about the very drawing, let's talk some about promoting your own product. This part is not for those who hate it, but for those people who love art and don't want to give up on their dreams. I believe that even a huge brand like Adobe was free at a certain point. If they hadn't started charging for their software, millions of artists wouldn't have the opportunity to express themselves now. Their dreams will be burned. It takes money for serious things. It's the same with artists. For all of us, there is an artist we follow and love. That artist needs money to keep being there for us, because otherwise they will leave the artistic world behind and work in a supermarket. I was the one who wanted everything for free once. Today when I notice an artist showing his product, I'm happy because of them, because I know it will enable them to stay longer in the world they love, and thus give all of us both inspiration and motivation to create. This is why I want to send a message to all the young artists. The sooner you create your product, the better. This is when you become professional and open possibilities for all of us to create. Love your products, believe in them, and don't be afraid to promote them. Proudly put a price on them. There will be much more people who will be grateful to you, because you are still creating and inspiring. Okay, now that I have let it all out, we can go back to drawing. I'll do sketching today too, a bit more complex than I usually do. And before I start with digital painting, I want to learn the basis of human body movement, as well as the perspective in which the character will be put. That's my today's goal, to create a powerful sketch, a sketch that inspires.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore.
Imagine me drawing the style of the character I did in flat design, in Photoshop, and coloring it in cartoon style with 3D experience. This is the direction I want to take. I think I will try something like that as soon as in the next video.
Come, let us adore him.
It motivates me to learn and apply the knowledge through creation. After such drawings, even vector drawings will get a new dimension for me. After I had an idea for this drawing, I stopped it for a moment because I didn't know how to start. That's when most of people give up, because of fear. Of course, I had no idea how to draw all of it. But isn't that the point of it all? To get out of the comfort zone, learn something new, and grow.
Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King.
I use a Photoshop and random brushes for this drawing. I'm still trying out and searching for my tools. If there are any good Photoshop brush you can recommend it, write them down in the comment. And they don't have to be free. Okay, and now as for the character. It's an old white sailor who had lost his arm in a crash with a shark a long time ago. But this is the future, so it's not too complicated for him to get a new arm. The problem is, light arms are a lot expensive. So this one is pretty cheap, but is also heavy. That's why he always leans towards that side, and the time it has become his natural posture. Okay, my people, I miss the good stories I wrote for this channel, and you can expect them in the following videos. If you remember those videos and want more, I would like to know that. That's it all for today. And I have a little more time, so I will try to color it when I record this voiceover. So maybe you will see that as well. Okay, lots of love for all of you, and stay tuned because the best is yet to come. Peace.
Come